I'm working on modifying my Beretta 1301 Tactical Forend for a heat shield. The problem is, of course, that the legs, these guys, are not accommodated by the walls at the rearward side of the forend. So I've got my Dremel tool with the grinding wheel, which happens to be just about the exact same size as the wraparound tangs on the heat shield. And turns out that this composite melts and doesn't make a big mess. You can see these are some of the pieces. They just sort of break off when they're done. Got the first half done, first side done. Wanted to keep it pretty neat. So I'm going to try doing the other one on cam. Hopefully I don't mess it up. You probably won't be able to see much as I'm doing this, but it's going to be loud too, so you might want to turn your volume down. So the crap out. As you can see, it really doesn't make much of a mess at all. And there's the second slot. And that actually fits very nicely. It fits right in there. And I tried it. I you know, dry fitted it, test fitted it, and it actually does fit even without the notches, but it flares out the top edges of the forend. So I needed to be able to do this. Now I can see where I want to take these tangs down a little bit, just to make sure it doesn't interfere with any of the gas-driven piston action of the shotgun. So I'm going to try grinding this thing down while it's in here. I think that might be the easiest way to do it. So let's give her a go. Sorry for my fat fingers. Pull that out. But having it in the forend while you're doing this really does keep the these tangs very stable, which is certainly a good thing when you're trying to Dremel something. I'm going to hit that a little bit more. Actually, it might be a good idea if I can. Alright, just put some packing tape around the front just to try and keep that a little more stable. Thinking that ought to do her right there. I also do think that I might want to just ever so slightly. No, actually, ladies and gentlemen, that looks pretty good. So I will install this on the shotgun and show you. I did buy this green one as a tester. Mine is black, but I didn't want to go to town on it in case I felt like I ruined it. So I'll go install this and I'll shoot some shots. Thanks.